All right, we are at 111 Shields. This house is fantastic. So we're in Talladega. I'll give you kind of a little picture of the street here. As we were driving in Talladega, I've never been here. It's very cute, very clean. I like it so far. The street is very nice. All the houses and yards look very well kept. All right, let's do a little property tour here. I know nothing about this house yet, so you're going to learn it as I learn it. This rock garden, I was already told, is coming out, so there's still work to be done on this house. Give you a little shot of the yard here. Nice and green. So this will come out. All right, I'll start giving you the tour and then we'll get some information rolling once he's off the phone. So it looks like I guess this is probably a second living room of sorts. This is cool, actually. This might be one of my favorite houses so far. All right, over here we have washer and dryer hookup. We'll go ahead and check out the backyard while he's on the phone. Obviously, work is still being done. We have a fully fenced-in yard. Oh, this is cool. So we have a covered structure deck thing back here. So this house does have siding. I'll get the exact lot size here in a second. Looks like we have this yard's great. I love the South. So much yard. So it looks like there's a drive-through fence over there. So I'm guessing this is probably just a storage shed. It's actually got lighting. That's kind of cool. Maybe I want this house. Oh, this is great. Lights are on. I don't know what's back here. So this is like a full-on workstation, something or another. Cool. Okay, let's go back to the house. Check all that out. So here's the back of the house. Very quiet neighborhood. I like it. Okay, let's go back in the same way we came so you can keep your bearings. This looks like, camera's rolling. So did you guys put this carpet in? Or
Yeah, it's all new.
all brand new carpet? I love this house already. I love this window.
This house, this was all paneling and it had a small little fake fireplace there.
Okay.
We took it all out.
It looks fantastic in there.
All this is new. We just put the design to give it a design.
Okay.
This used to have a pony wall here.
Yeah.
We took that completely out to open this up.
This is great.
This used to be a door here.
Okay.
The fridge was clear back there.
Oh.
And so we closed this off and put the fridge there. That's not the fridge to stay. I mean, it was here.
Placeholder.
And then you see we got granite.
So you put the granite countertops in. That's great.
This is all new cabinets. We put this and we took all the old out.
Okay.
These are all brand new. And we've already upgraded the electric.
Will all the appliances be stainless steel like the other ones? Or the
Could be.
Okay.
We were going to put black in, but we can put, it's not that big of a price difference.
And here's another door to the outside.
This is
I already took them outside.
New water heater. It's just dirty now.
Okay.
We've got to clean it. And the yard is very big.
And there's a great
Yeah.
workstation thing out
I
there.
know.
So you guys, these are your
This is
hardwoods.
all new, same flooring, just
Perfect.
dirty.
All LVP.
We have
Love it.
about a day and a half worth of work here still left.
Okay.
2 days, just depending. That's just a closet.
Okay.
And then it gets a new furnace.
Okay.
It's just an old one.
Okay.
And then there's 3 bedrooms here, and then here's another bath.
So is it 3-bedroom, 1 bath, or the
2
master? Okay.
That's all brand new in here. The tub, everything.
Oh, perfect.
New vanity, new toilet. This looked terrible, so we took everything completely out. Tile is everything is new in here. The walls, everything.
Okay.
This walls were all paneling.
Oh, the
Remember
hallway
I told
walls?
you that I didn't like certain paneling.
Yeah, that was it.
Well, this one we just painted.
Okay. Oh yeah, the bedrooms. That actually, I like the look of it though.
Yeah, and but the hallways and stuff, we took it out because it just didn't work out for us any other way.
So that's bedroom 1, bedroom 2. Oh, with 2 closets.
Yep.
That's great.
So it's just our electrician's coming to finish all of this.
Okay.
And he's supposed to be here, I think, Wednesday or what's today? Tuesday.
And here's
tomorrow or Thursday.
Master. And master bath.
It's a 2.5 bath. That's right. I forgot. It's a 2.5.
Was it? Wait, so half bath here.
Full bath, and then that's right. It's the laundry room, so it's 1.5. Yeah.
Oh, so 1.5. I was like, wait a minute. I think I missed the
We
bathroom.
were thinking of putting a shower here, but we would have had to tear that one off. So we just left it as is.
Okay.
But this is all new too.
Okay.
So new tile.
So 1.5 bath total. 3 bedroom, 1.5 bath.
It's the new light fixture already. So new fixtures in here. But these bathrooms are completely rebuilt.
This is great.
And the neighborhood's nice.
I was
I've gotten
noticing.
to know the neighbors up here, and they're all very nice and friendly.
Cool. I love this one.
Yeah.